1. X divided by 3 is equal to 20. So whenever you want to find the value of x and it's dividing a number, you have to multiply with that number so that that number will cancel out and we are going to be able to isolate x. So now multiply both sides by 3. 3 times x over 3 is equal to 20 times 3. So 3 times x will be 3x divided by 3 equal to 20 times 3 is 60. So that 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. 1 times x is x, which is equal to 60. Let's look at the second example. Minus x all over 7 is equal to 8. The same thing applies here. You multiply both sides by 7. So you have 7 times minus x over 7 is equal to 8 times 7. Now, I'm going to have 7 times minus x over 7. 7 divided 7 is 1. 1 times minus x will give us minus x, which is equal to 8 times 7 is 56. So as you know, we are looking for x, not minus x. So we are going to multiply both sides by minus 1 so that we'll have x. So minus 1 times x minus x, sorry, minus 1 times minus x is equal to minus 1 times 56. So minus 1 times minus x is x, which is minus 1 times 56 give us minus 56. Let's talk on the third example. We have minus 2 divided by x is equal to 20. So what we are going to do is the same thing. To undo the fraction, we multiply both sides by x. So we have our x times minus 2 divided by x is equal to 20 times x. Now x will go with x, as we are going to have minus 2x all over x is equal to 20x. Minus 2x divided by x will give us minus 2. So we are going to have minus 2 is equal to 20x. Now to get x, we divide both sides by 20. So we are going to have minus 2 over 20 is equal to x. Because if we divide 20 to both sides, 20x will cancel 20 and we'll have only x. So minus 2 divided by 20. Pick the next problem, which is 5 over x equal to 17. Same thing, multiply both sides by x. So we have x times 5 over x is equal to 17 times x, which will give us 5x all over x equal to 17x. Now x will cancel x on the left hand side. We are going to be left with 5 is equal to 17x. So now to isolate x, we divide both sides by 17. So we have 5 divided by 17 is equal to 17x divided by 17. Now 17 will go with 17, so we have x. So we have 5 over, we have 5 divided by 17 is equal to x. That's our solution. So now I'll give you two problems to try out. See if you can, and if you don't fully understand, follow the video again, you understand it better. Minus x all over 5 is equal to minus 25. And my answer to this is 125. And then the second problem is 25 all over x is equal to 5. And the answer to this should be 5. So if you do it correctly, you get the answer.